Alright, so we're gonna be replacing pads on this 2019 Nissan Altima. If you don't know how to take a tire off, you probably shouldn't be replacing brakes. So I'm just gonna start from here. And this is basically 14mm socket right here. That's all you'll need to get the caliper off. So we got the 2 screws off. Caliper, sit in a safe place. So this brake hose, you don't want this to fall and to put weight on this brake hose and break it. So just remove the old pads. Remove the old hardware, and then we put in a new hardware. Some good brake parts cleaner. Clean it up real good. While that's drying, I will go ahead and grease the pins. Just put a little bit on the tip. Always make sure if you're replacing pads that you add grease. If the grease run out and it dries up, these pins can't go in and out. And you can get a lot of pressure on the pad and wear it down really quick. So you always want these guide pins so this caliper can go back and forth. But you always want to grease them. So we're going to install the new hardware. Back and forth, make sure there's no contact. If the brake hardware is installed correctly, if you have contact or is installed incorrectly, this can rub against the rotor and make a loud screeching noise. So you install the pads. These are the 2 things to look out for. You want to make sure they go in right on here. See how that is right there. And actually that isn't right, so there's a little metal piece right here. You want to make sure that goes inside there and not get stuck out like this piece here.